Go! Go! Yeah! You got fucking what? God! No!
I got one.
You do?
I got one.
I got one.
What'd I do?
Just hold it. Just hold it.
Watch out. You got it? Ready for it to fly away?
No. Hold it.
I got you, bitch.
No, we gotta hold it down. Just hold it.
Why?
Oh.
Alright. You're scared. They're moving around.
There were 3 of them, dude.
I know, I caught 3 of them at first. And 2 got away.
That his mouth?
Yeah. Ready to let him fly away or no?
No.
Come on.
See if you can hold him there.
I'm definitely holding it. Not going right.
Oh man.
I got you.
Could have motherfucking 3. That was perfect. That's a good tactic.
Yeah.
See that? You sliding?
Where is shit?
Wait,
Ready to let him fly away?
Wait, no, can I just see a little piece?
Ready? He's gonna fly on 3.
Come on, let's like take him to the water or something. Take him over there. No, just take him over there.
Why?
Show him to people. Let's release him at those girls. Just fucking throw it at him.
Nah, fine.
Just do it.
Just release him?
No, throw it at him.
What's those guys doing? I got you, bitch. Hopefully I'm not hurt.
Oh shit. There he goes.